into this. Welcome back to this stream. We're doing another update on some of the market with this particular swing trade strategy. Sorry, video is not on right now. Couldn't be bothered to turn it on. If we're looking at the news for next week, we'll just disregard the news from this prior week. We have a lot of news. Monday we have some manufacturing news for the US dollar as well as the Australian interest rate decision. Tuesday we have some JOLTS job opening, generally some big news, as well as the New Zealand interest rate decision. Wednesday we move on to Wednesday and Friday there's some stuff related to non-farm employment. And then on Thursday we have unemployment claims. So some pretty big US folder news as well as interest rate decisions for the Australian and New Zealand dollar. So those ones are pretty big. Getting right into the markets, let's review some of the trades we're in right now. Actually, let's just start from the top and we'll work our way down. AUDCAD, there's nothing here, kind of in the middle of this standard deviation range. So we're not really looking to get into a trade here. AUDCHF, you can see we're getting to the top of this standard deviation range, so we are looking at a potential trade in the short side. So once price starts to come down, swaps on the SSL similar to what happened here, we're looking to get into a trade there. Australian yen, so all the yen pairs I'm currently in, every single one except for the US dollar, kind of hedging, not hedging, but spreading, how would you say, spreading capital, diversifying on each one. So this guy's been mostly in the red for the past little while, but it's recently started to uptick a little bit, which has been kind of nice. Australian, New Zealand, still kind of in the middle range, not really expecting anything here. Australian US dollar, similar thing, kind of in the middle range, not really expecting anything. CADCHF, we are on the top of the linear regression line, so we are looking to get into a sell trade once price starts to come back down. Canadian yen, again, kind of close to hitting take profits, so that'll be kind of nice. That should happen next week, assuming the yen pair continues to do quite poorly. CADJPY was doing quite well, has recently started to go down a little bit. Again, if price is hitting the linear regression, so if price does come up and swap on the SSL, we will be looking to add to the position and increase the risk. Euro Australian dollar, similarly, price is at the lower trend line here, so we are looking to get into a buy once price starts to come up. Same with the EURCAD, looking to get into a buy once price comes up. EURCHF looking to get into a sell once price goes down. EURGBP looking to get into a sell once price goes down. EURJPY slightly in the positive, possibly, no, not looking to get into a buy once price goes up. Doesn't totally fit the theme. EURNZD, this will be a buy once price starts to go up. EURUSD will be a buy once price starts to go up. GBPAUD, again, buy once price starts to go up. GCAD, this isn't an actual position. I'm not actually in a position here. It was just a theoretically, like, when I saw a price here at this day, if I'd gotten in without the proper indicator allowance, what would have happened, and we could see I'd be significantly in the negative. So we are looking to get into a buy here, but we're waiting for price to go up and cross the SSL. That's sort of our entry signal indicator for this strategy. GJ kind of floating around break even. Again, we'll be looking to get into a buy once and add on to the position. GBPNZD looking to get into a buy once price starts to break above and go above the SSL line. Same with GBPUSD. You can see more or less everything that's marked as red or pink is kind of an opportunity in the market. Anything marked as green is something that I'm currently in. So that's how I typically use flags. Nothing for NZDCAD. NZDJ, another big day, kind of floating in the green, which is nice. NZDU, nothing there. USDCAD. So this one's kind of annoying. There was a good opportunity here, ended up taking the sell the next day, just completely reversed, ended up hitting stop loss. This technically, I didn't get into this trade, but it was just me not paying enough attention, which is ironic because I literally just have to spend 30 minutes a day looking at all of these chart pairs, and I would have been, oh look, USDCAD, there's an opportunity in the market again. I should have gotten into this sell. I should have hit the profit here. Didn't, because I wasn't paying enough attention. I just disowned it once I hit the stop, or once I got stopped out, and then didn't look to get for a re-entry. That was my fault. USDCHF looking to get into a sell as price starts to come down. USDJPY, nice, just continuation up, but still not looking for a buy or a sell yet. And then US30, so hit stop loss on all three of these. So US30, NOS, and the S&P, hit stop loss on all of them, although looking to get into a buy position as they are all floating around the 100 and 200 linear regression lines. So once price comes up, swaps the SSL, we'll be looking to get into a buy and reposition ourselves on all three of them. So that's it for market updates. I'll be back again next week. Hopefully some of the end pairs might have been closed by that time, and maybe some of these other positions I'll have gotten into. Thanks for coming.